sometimes I'm sleeping in them alone. Mister is not around, and you know when he's not around, sometimes he's sleeping one position like this, one position, and no big transaction in it. So the bed is still clean. But when he's around, you guys, don't take me deeper into these matters. So today we are going to look at how many times should we change our bed sheets. So if you love this video, please stay tuned. I'll be right back. I was chatting with my friends, and then a friend of mine said, "Guys, I removed my bed sheet today. It was really brown, but when it was on my bed, it was looking clean." And that's really common. When you're still sleeping on a bed sheet, you cannot know that it's dirty until you remove it. When you remove it, even before you get a basin, your eyes will be like, "Am I the one who has been sleeping on this bed sheet?" So how often should we change these bed sheets? My name's Asperia Wogabaga, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Marriage Tips with Asperia. On this channel, we share about things that will help us have better marriages, the small things that we can do in our homes to make them lovely, to make them beautiful, and just like our dream homes. Everyone has a dream home, but it takes sacrifice, takes hard work to make it come into a reality. So today we are looking at how often should we change our bed sheets. Yeah, everyone can change their bed sheets depending on what they love or what they like. Personally, I change my bed sheets sometimes after 2 days, sometimes after one night, sometimes after a week, depending. Sometimes I'm sleeping in them alone. Mister is not around, and when he's not around, sometimes you sleep in one position like this, one position, and no big transaction in it. So the bed is still clean. But when he's around, you guys, don't take me deeper into these matters. But then I have to change them because you have been there. You have had some games of old people, and then the things are dirty, and you cannot sleep in those very bed sheets tomorrow. So if you eat food on a plate, and can you eat food on that very plate tomorrow before you clean it? No. Likewise, our bed sheets should be changed just like that. Sometimes we have babies, and us in Africa, sometimes we sleep with our children on the very beds where we sleep with husbands. So maybe she has urinated on them, and you can't keep the bed dirty like that. So it depends on how often you're using them. If you're there alone, you can take even a week, but there are people who go beyond normal. You find someone buys a girl who is dating, maybe or hoping to get married soon, buys a black bed sheet, and then all she does is to keep that dusting, or maybe dry cleaning, because maybe they don't have time to wash. No, it's not really a good thing. We are supposed to have very nice looking beds with beautiful colors. As a lady, it's just in our nature to have bright, beautiful colors. So our bed sheets should be cleaned almost every time. So our matrimonial bed is very, very important. It's very good, and it's a center of the home. Sometimes you look at someone's sitting room, and you're like, wow, their room really looks good. But just get a chance and enter behind scenes, you are going to run away. So you have to clean your bedrooms, clean the bed sheets, lay those beds, and just make your dream come into a reality. Don't wait to have a big, huge bed before you start cleaning. The Bible says if you cannot be trusted with a little thing, then you will not be trusted with a big one. If you can't manage cleaning those small beds that you have right now, I don't think you will manage big ones. So please, whether big or small, clean your bed by changing bed sheets often. Don't take too long. Don't have sex in the bed sheets and then you again sleep in those very bed sheets. It's not a good habit. Sometimes you can fall sick, and then your friends come around to see you, and then you be like, I'm coming in the sitting room. Not because not because you are strong, but because you're like, what are they going to say if they really look around? So we need to clean this bed. So avoid such kind of imaginations and thoughts. Let's learn to clean our bedroom. So if you accidentally fall very sick, as someone comes to carry you out of your bed to take you in the hospital, what they see makes you fine. When they come to carry you, even when you're unconscious, you wake up, you be like, I'm okay, because you don't want someone to see your bed sheets. So let's make it a habit to change our bed sheets often. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give me a like, leave your comments and tell me how many times you change your bed sheets. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you very much.